Mr. Ntanzi, we were on page 2 of 200, case ID 103-1227, still part of exhibit DD 5E, Roman figure 1.
Njani Ntanzi ke sasuku khasile lesibili yona ke ufakazi lo exhibit DD
your number ending 6890 on 1 September 2020 at 17:43:38 received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 49 seconds from your mother's number 079 069 6750.
Sesiyaqhubekela manje phambili mhla ka 1 September ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku 17:43:38 kubonakala ukuthi ke inombolo yakho yona leke egcina ke ngaye ke u6890 iyathola ke ucingo olungenayo kuyo inombolo ngama wakho ewu079 069 6750 elathatha ke imizuzwana ngaba 49 seconds.
It was then followed by an incoming call from label's number ending 1698 to your number ending 6890 on 1 September 2020 at 17:59:31. It's an MTC.
Futhi ke umuntu siqhubekela phambili kubonakala futhi ke manje ke inombolo yakho yona ke yathola ke ucingo olungenayo olubeka kunombolo le ekalebe igcina ngo1698 inombolo yakho yona igcina ngo6890 nayo ke ngomhla ka 1 September ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku17:59:31.
The tower for that call from Mama Wami is 3G Queenswood, and the tower for that call of label is also 3G Queenswood NGA.
Futhi ke masibheka ke umbhoshongo ke ola machunga amabili ke eqala ke beku Queenswood nesibili ke naye futhi Queenswood.
Then your number ending 6890 on 1 September 2020 at 18:03:25. It's about 4 minutes after the call from label's number, received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 58 seconds from your mother's number 079 0696 75 0. The tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Ngawo futhi umhla ka 1 September ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku 18:03:25 kubonakala ukuthi ke inombolo yakho yona legcina ngo6890 iyathola ke ucingo olungenayo ke olubuya inombolo yenikele ka ma wakho ke ewu67 egcina ngo6750 iyathatha ke imizwana ngaba 58 ngaphansi kombhoshongo futhi weQueenswood.
Then your number ending 6890 on 1 September 2020 at 18:07:33 made an outgoing call, an MOC lasting 5 seconds to your mother's number 079 0696 750 The tower is 3G Queensuit NGA.
Mhla futhi ka 1 September ngo2020 inombolo yakho ke yona legcina ngo6890 iyashayela ke inombolo kama wakho ke yona ke le ewu 0790696750 isikhathi ke ku 180733 ethatha ke mzwana ngaba isihlanu phela ngaphansi kombhosho ngofuthi weQueenwood.
Then still on the 1st of September 2020, there were a series of calls between your number and label's number. There are about 7 calls between your number ending 6890 and label's number ending 1698. The tower it's 3G Queensuit NGA.
Futhi ke sasekhona lapho kumhla ka 1 September ngo2020 kubonakala kube kwaba khona ke ama call ke enzakala phakathi kwenombolo yakho legcina ke ngo6890 neka lebu e1698 singasho ukuthi ke ngaba 7 ngokuphelela kwawo.
There are about 5 incoming calls from label's number 169 ending 16980 to your number ending 6890 and 1 outgoing call from your number 6890 to label's number 1698.
Futhi ke siyabona futhi ke kune amakhola amahlanu abuya ke kulebu eza kuwena inombolo yakho lesikhuluma ngayo legcina ngo6890 ekalebu legcina ngo1698 kube khona futhi enye eyodwa eyenziwa uwena ke ephumayo suka kuwena kulebu.
So there's 6 MTCs, 6 incoming calls from label's number to your number and 1 outgoing call.
Uthi umshushi sigaba bewayi 6 ke la uya kulebu eza kuwena futhi eyodwa eyenziwa uwena iya kulebu.
Then there is communication between your number and that number ending 3332, your number ending 6890, on 2 September 2020, received a call from the number ending 3320, lasting 2 seconds at 013924. That call went to voicemail. It's a CF.
Futhi ke khona ke amanye amakholi ke phakathi kwenombolo yakho yena le egcina ngo6890 naye lenye futhi ke o3332 lapho ke mhla ka 2 September ngo2020 le nombolo le ke yafonela ke ngesikhathi u013924 noma ke ya ku voicemail.
The tower is 3G Queensuit.
Umbhoshongo ke uQueenwood.
Again on 2 September 2020 at 014637, the number ending 3332 called your number ending 6890, lasting 4 seconds. The call went to voicemail. It's a C. Call for what? Tower is undefined.
Futhi ke ngomhla ka 2 September ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku 014637 ke le nombolo legcina ngo3332 ke yashayela icingo lwakho legcina ngo6890 okwathatha ke imzwala engaba mhlambe engaba mine futhi ke umbhoshongo ongachazwanga.
Again on the same day, 2 September 2020 at 014657, that number ending 3332 made a call to your number ending 6890, lasting 2 seconds, the call went to voicemail. It's a call forward. Tower is undefined.
Futhi ke ngomhla ka 2 September isikhathi ke ku 0:47:57 leya nombolo futhi ke na iyavela le gcina ngo 3332 ukuthi ke iyayenza ke ucingo oluza kuwena unombolo wakhe egcina ngo 6890 eyathatha ke imizwana ngaba mibili kodwa ke kwaba yangena ku voicemail.
Again, the number ending 3332 called your number ending 6890. Still on 2 September 2020 at 01:51:55, the call went to voicemail. It's a call forward, lasted 2 seconds. The tower is undefined.
Futhi ke ngalo losuku lolo umhla ka 2 September ngo 2020 sona isikhathi ke ku 01:31:55 bonakala kana nombolo le 3332 ke iyashaya icingo lwakho lolu gcina ngo 6890 noma ke yangena ku voicemail.
Then again on 2 September 2020 at 7:30:29, the number ending 3332 sent a text message to your number, an empty SMS, your number ending 6890 on 2 September 2020 at 07:30:29. The tower is 3G Queensuit NGA.
Futhi ke ngomhla ka 2 September ngo 2020 isikhathi ke ku 17:30:29 kubonakalisa ke inombolo yakho inombolo le egcina ngo 3332 yathumela ke umlayezo ke isa ku nombolo le egcina ngo 6890 futhi isikhathi beku 7:20 umbhoshongo ke awuzange uchazwe.
Again on 2 September 2020 at 07:31:30, just under a minute from the previous text message, sent another incoming text message, an empty SMS on the number 3332 to your number that ends 6890 on 2 September 2020 at 07:31:30. The time is 0 seconds. And the tower is 3G Queensuit NGA.
Futhi ke ngomhla ka 2 September ngo 2020 isikhathi ke ku 07:31:30 kubonakalisa futhi yona lenombolo loyana ke igcina ngo 3221 yathumela futhi umunye umlayezo enombolweni yakho legcina ngo 6890 umbhoshongo ku Queensuit.
And then again that number ending 3332 at 08:01:30 seconds on the 2nd of September 2020 sent a text message, an empty SMS to your number ending 6890. The duration is 0 seconds. The tower is 3G Queensuit NGA.
Yona leyo nombolo futhi ke ngawe ke umhla ka 2 September ngo 2020 isikhathi manje ku 08:01:30 ke kubona ukuthi leyo nombolo leyo futhi ke yathumela futhi umlayezo futhi uthumela kule nombolo ke legcina ngo 6890 phansi kombhoshongo we Queensuit.
Do you have any comments regarding these calls, Mr. Ntanzi's 3 calls from your mother's number to your number and 7 calls between your number and Lebo's number, and several calls between the number ending 3332 and several text messages and call forwards between the number ending 3332 and your number ending 6890.
Manje ke Mntanzi khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho ke malana nalamakholo bawabekile manje usamathathu akhona ke bekungaphakathi konombolo yakho nenombolo ke le ekamama ayisikhombisa ke phakathi konombolo yakho nenombolo kaLebo namanye nje amaningi phakathi konombolo yakho nale egcina ngo 3332 futhi kube khona futhi nama SMS futhi amanye ama-call ke ayangena ku voicemail.
Manipendulo yami phamba kusenkantolo ngangena phone.
My response before the court is that I did not have the phone
ngoba mina ifoni ngihlukane nayo ngoJune 16 two phone
because both phones, I last had them in my possession on the 16th of June.
So are you saying that on these 3 occasions, the caller using your mother's number calling your number spoke to someone else other than yourself?
Manje ke kusho ukuthi ke ngalenkandla lezi ezintathu ke lo muntu lo ube phone ke sebenzisa ke iphone kama wakho ke fonela number yakho uye wakhuluma nomunye umuntu bengakhulumi nawe.
ngisho njalo phambi kwasenkantolo
Yes, that is exactly what I'm saying before the court.
ngoba ifoni yami beyivuliwe angithi ifoni yami hambe kimi ngacishiwe ivuliwe
Because my phone was on when it was taken from me. It was not switched off.
Which includes 2 incoming calls from your mother's number and 1 outgoing call from your number to your mother's number.
Nalezi ke ezimbili ke eziyenza amakhola amabili lapho efoni kama wakho eza kuwena nale one esuka kuwena yakuma wakho.
angithi mama ifoni yami yayibona ukuthi iyangena kufanele ayifonele ukuthi atsobana ngazo ifoni yami yayikumabhena nomkhana
Because my mom could see or she was aware that the calls on my phone goes through, so she was supposed to call it, even though she did not know who was answering or who will answer the calls.
Right, the next calls are found on page 4 of 200. It's case ID 103 1227, still part of exhibit DD 5 in brackets E Roman figure 1.
Amanye ke amakholo sokhuluma ngawo khona manje ke latholakala kule cast lesine naye ke soyana ke uze exhibit DD lo sasebenza ngaye.
The first call on this page is between your number 6890 and label's number 3628. It's an outgoing call from your number on 2 September 2020 at 19:45:15, lasting 111 seconds. So it's an outgoing call from your number to label's number. The tower is 3G Queensuit NGA.
Uma sibheka ke yoqala nqa khona la kule phepha leli ke iyakhombisa ke lana ke wena nombolo yakho le eqala egcina ngo6890 eyafonela ke number ka Lebu ngomhla ka 2 September ngo2020 isikhathi beku 19:45:15 kaba ke imizuzu engaba 118.
Then still on the 2nd of September 2020, there's an incoming call, an MTC from label's number ending 1698 to your number 16890 on 2 September 2020 at 20:28:09, and the tower is 3G Queensuit NGA.
Enye futhi naye yakhombisa ke le call ke yasuka ke number ka Lebu is number yakho ke legcina ngo6890 futhi ke nombhosho ngokhona naye Queensuit.
Then it's followed by an incoming call from your mother's number 07906967750 on 2 September 2020 on your number ending 6890 at 20:36:18. It's an MTC lasting 30 seconds. The tower is 3G Queensuit NGA.
Nangomhla ka 2 September 2020 isikhathi ku 20:36:18 ikhombisa ke call ke le yaphuma ke iya kunombolo yakho le yake eyathatha yona imizuzu engaba u 30 second ngaphansi kombhosho ngona we Queensuit.
Then it's followed by an incoming call from Lagos number 1698, an MTC lasting 412 seconds to your number ending 6890 on 2 September 2020 at 21:18 and 10 seconds. The tower is 3G Queensuit NGA.
Futhi ke kube khona futhi ke khombisayo lapho ke mhla ka 2 September ngo2020 isikhathi ku 21:18:10 lapho ke yaba khona kucingo lungena also akulebu ke liza kuwena ke number ka lebu ugcina ngo1698 bese iza kunombolo yakho eyathatha ke imizuzu ngaba u6 seconds.
No, 412
seconds.
Followed by another incoming call from Lagos number 1698 to your number ending 6890 on 2 September 2020 at 21:26:09. That call lasted, and it's an MTC, lasted 1,740 seconds, and it's the tower is 3G Queensuit NGA.
Kulandele futhi ke ucingo lolu ke lwenza ko lebu ngonombolo ke gcina ngo1698 eliya kuwena ke ngonombolo egcina ngo6890 ngomhla ka 2 September ngo2020 eyathatha ke mhlambe imizwalo engaba 1740 ngaphansi kombhoshongo futhi weQueenwood.
Then there was an outgoing call from your number ending 6890 on 2 September 2020 at 21:55:59, an MOC lasting 15 seconds to Lagos number ending 1698. The tower is 3G Queensuit NGA.
Ngoba khona kucingo liphumayo osowa ke nombolini yakho ke leca ngo6890 mhla ka 2 September ngo2020 isikhathi ku 21:55:59 elathatha ke imizolo ngaba u15 ke bona ke umbhoshongo ke weQueenwood.
Then there are 4 incoming calls from Lagos number 1698 between 06:19:53 and 08:39:58. All of them are MTC's incoming calls on 3 September 2020 to your number 6890, and the tower is 3G Queensuit.
Futhi ke kunamanye ke amakhola amade amane esowa ke lapha ku phone ka lebu eza ku phone yakho ke mhla ka 3 September ngo2020 ngaphakathi kwenkathi ke u06:19:53 no08:39:58 konombhoshongo lo waseQueenwood.
Then again on 3 September 2020 at 09:05:41 there's an incoming call, an MTC from Lagos number 1698 lasting 176 seconds to your number 6890, and the tower is 3G Queensuit.
Mhla ka 3 September ngo2020 futhi ke khona ke ucingo ke lwaphuma ke ucingo lwakho lebu nombolo yakhe egcina ngo1698 iza kuwena ke nombolo egcina ngo6898 yathatha ke imizolo ngaba 176 ngaphansi kombhoshongo futhi weQueenwood.
Then still on the 3rd of September 2020 at 09:32, it's an incoming call from Lagos number 1698 lasting 207 seconds to your number 6890 at 09:32:01. The tower remains 3G Queenwood.
Mhla ka 3 September ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku 09:32:17 kuyabonakala futhi ke khona ucingo lwaphuma ke efonini ka lebu legcina ngo1698 liza kulo ucingweni lwakho ogcina ngo6890 elathatha ke imizolo ngaba 207 second ngaphansi kwembhoshongo futhi weQueenwood.
Then on 3 September 2020 at 094931, there's an incoming call, an MTC to your number 6890, lasting 77 seconds from your mother's number 079 0696 and the Towers 3G Queensuit NGA.
Futhi ke mhla ka 3 September ngo2020 isikhathi ku 094931 khona kocingo ke lusuka phone kama wakho le u079 0696 liza kuwena kunombolo yakho le egcina ngo6898 ngaphansi kombhoshongo futhi weQueenwood.
Again, on 3 September 2020, your number ending 6890 at 10:23:45 received an incoming call or an MTC from your mother's number 079 0696 that lasted 163 seconds. The Towers 3G Queensuit NGA.
Umhla ka 3 September ngo2020 usikhathi ku 10:23:45 inombolo yakho legcina ngo6890 kuyathola ke call engenayo ke suka enombolo ngama wakho eyaba ke imizwana ngaba 163 ngaphansi kombhosho ngoQueenwood.
Then the last two calls on this page on the 3rd of September 2020, they were less than a minute apart. These were outgoing calls from your number 6890 to Label's number ending 1698 at 10:31:48, an MOC, the Towers 3G Queensuit, and less than a minute later at 10:32:25, also an outgoing call MOC lasting a second to Label's number 1698.
Khona futhi amanye amabili ke enzakala mhla ka 3 September ngo2020 ngaphakathi kwecingo lakho ke legcina ngo6890 nokwalebo ogcina ngo16995 eloqala ke isikhathi beku 10:31:48 elesibili beku 10:32:25 omabili ke enzaka phansi kombhosho ngona seQueenwood.
So on this page, 3 calls from your mother, all incoming calls, MTCs, then 13 calls from between your number and Label's number.
Uma sibheka kule khasi leli ke kunamakhola amathathu abuya kuma wakho kube khona futhi amanye ay13 ke yangaphakathi ku nombolo yakho nekalebo.
Do you have any comment regarding these calls?
Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho ke malana ke nalama calls qedwe khuma ngawo manje.
Mina ngisamela pendulweni yodwa phambi kwesengandlo. Ukuthi ngingena phone mina tshela.
I'm still on my response that I did not have a phone when I was in prison.
Ngoba ngisho incwadi yasevele la ayekho ukuthi mina ngangene phone azange ngibone la.
Even the document from Valeria does not indicate that I had a phone in my possession then. I did not sit such. Mabena and Mohale are the ones that had my phone.
If you say a document from Valeria doesn't indicate that you had a phone, which document are you referring to?
Uma uthi ke namaphepha seValeria ke awakhombisa uyabona phone ukhuma ngamapha amaphepha.
Angithi uthi phone bayithola ke eValeria. Liphi iphepha bhala kodwa bangithole phone.
You said they found my phone in my possession at Valeria. So where is that document that indicates that I had a phone then?
Yes, but Sergeant Mohani testified that on the 7th of February 2021, they found a phone in your blankets in the cells.
Kodwa ke uSergeant Mohane ke ngalenkathi yena ethula ubufakazi ngomhla ka7 February ngo2021 uye wathi ke la enkantolo ke baye bathola ke iphone ezingubeni zakho.
Akulona iqiniso Nkosi enkantolo.
That is not correct.
Ngomba mina ke phambi Nkosi enkantolo lapha ebhale khona ukuthi ungithole nefoni. Angithi iphoyisa elikhulu ngikhombe lapha kodwa.
Please show me where it is written or where he has written down that he found a phone in my possession.
The next calls are found on page 7 of 200, case ID 1031227, still exhibit DD5 in brackets E, Roman figure 1.
Sesiyaqhubekela phambili manje sesuku page 7 nayo exhibit DD sobheka ke amanye futhi ama phone nama calls.
On this page, the first call on 4 September 2020 at 18:59:58, it's an incoming call, an MTC from Lagos number 1698 to your number 6890. At 18:59:58, MTC is 3G Queenswood.
Masiqhubekela phambili ke kubonakala mhla ka4 September ngo2020 isikhathi ke su 18:59:58 kukhombisa ke ucingo ke olwasuka ke kulebu ke luya kuwena inombolo yakho yona legcina ngo6890 neka lebu egcina ngo1698.
There are 7 calls between your number and label's number, 6 MTCs, 6 incoming calls from label's number to your number, and 1 outgoing call and MOC from your number to label's number.
Kubonakala ukuthi ke khona ke amakholo ke angaba isithupha la suka kulebu eza kuwena neyodwa suka kuwena eya kulebu.
Then on this is between 4 and 5 September 2020, the calls between you and Lebo. Then on 5 September 2020, your number 68 ending 6890 on 5 September 2020 at 09:35:03 received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 87 seconds from your mother's number 07906967750. The tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Ngomhla ka5 September ngo2020 inombolo yakho legcina ngo6890 iyathola ke ucingo olungenayo isikhathi beku 09:35:03 elathatha ke imizwalo ngaba 87 second lubuya kuma wakho futhi umbhoshongo beku Queenswood 3G.
Do you have any comment regarding these calls? One call, it's an incoming call from your mother's number to your number, as well as 7 calls from Lebo's number to your number, 6 incoming calls, MTCs from Lebo's number to your number, and 1 outgoing call from your number to Lebo's number, 1 MOC.
Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho ke kuloko sikwenzile manje ukuthi bekunama-call ayi-60 ke abuya kulebo eza kuwena neyodwa ke mhlawumbe esuka kuwena iya kulebo nakumama.
Kusenkantolo ngangekho mina duzane nefoni.
I was not close to the phone, my lord.
Ngoba mangiphinda ngibuka la kuleli phepha elifundwa ngumshoshisi ngiyayibona ukuthi ifoni le ngoba kubhala MTC SMS inamba kaMabhen lokho ivele njani namba kale bokhile namba kaMabhen namba kamama namba kaMabhen kuyehla njalo njalo.
And my lord, just taking a look at this document that the prosecutor has been reading, it shows Lebu's number, it will also show an SMS to Mabena's number, and as you just be going down, it will also show my mom. So different people and different numbers showing there.
Manje iphoyisa ngifonela kanjani iphoyisa lengibophile kuyilona lengibophile ngiphinde ngifonele iphoyisa.
So how am I calling the police official that has arrested me? How do I go about calling him?
Ngiphinde ngisendele SMS iphoyisa.
And also send the police officer an SMS.
Iyakhonakala le emhlabeni.
Is that possible?
Then there are three calls from the number ending 3332 to your number ending 6890 on 5 September 2020. Is two MTCs, two incoming calls from the number ending 3332 to your number ending 6890, and one outgoing call from your number ending 6890 to the number ending 3332.
Uthi ke mshushisi ke mobheka ke kunama call ke amathathu wonke mawahlangena ke phakathi kwenombolo yakho le 6890 nale 3332 ngazo ke i5 lezo sika September ngo2020. Ezimbili zakhona ke lezi ke esiphuma lapha ku 3332 ziya kuwena, eyodwa ilesuka kuwena ya lapha kusuka kuwena ya ku 3332.
And the tower is Queenswood.
Futhi nombosho ngakhona eQueenswood.
Next calls are found on page 10 of 200, case ID 1031227, exhibit DD5 in brackets E Roman figure 1.
Futhi ke amanye ke amakholo esowenza manje wathola kulona lekhasi lelo 10 naye ku exhibit DD.
On this page there are three calls from Lebu's number 1698 on 7 September 2020 at 22:05, starting at 22:14 to your number 6890.
Uma sibheka kule khasi leli ke khomba kubonakala ukuthi ikhona ke amakholo amathathu la buya ke kuLebu mhla ka 7 September ngo2020, uqala ke ngesikhathi lesi 22:14 eya kunombolweni yakho le u6890.
Then on 8 September 2020, that two calls to Lebu's number 1698 from your number 6890. MOCs on 8 September 2020 at 9:11:21 and 14:44:41, and the tower is 3G Queenswood.
Futhi ke masibheka ke usuku lelu ke imhla ka 8 September ngo2020 khona ke mfuthi amanye amakholo futhi abuya kuLebu eza kuwena, inkathi zakhona ke esinye eqala beku 9:11:21 kube futhi lesibili mhla ka ngesikhathi u14:44:41.
Then on 8 September 2020, your number ending 6890 on 8 September 2020 at 15:59:21 seconds received an incoming call, an MTC, from your mother's number 0790696750 on 8 September 2020 at 15:59:21 seconds. It's an MTC that lasted 77 seconds. The tower is 3G Queenswood, NGA.
Ngomhla ka 8 September ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku 15:59:21 seconds inombolo yakho legcina ngo6890 yathola ke ucingo olungenayo ke liphuma ifone number efonini kama wakho elathatha ke imizuzu engaba u77 seconds ngaphansi kombhoshongo futhi iQueenswood.
Do you have any comment regarding these calls
Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho
on
ngala
this
ma call?
page?
Mina ngisamile answer phambi kokho senkathi uthi ngangena phone.
I still stand, my lord, by my answer which I gave to the court that I did not have a phone.
Ngoba mangibuka futhi lona khona la ifoni le yaxhumana noButhelezi. NoButhelezi azange ngimfonele since ngangena ejele azange ngimfonele uButhelezi.
And then again, my lord, just taking a look at this document, it shows that this phone had contact with Buthelezi, and I just want to state that I've never called Buthelezi while I was in prison.
uButhelezi mina ngimfonele ngenamba kaMabhena mangifuna into zokugeza nezipahla zokushintsha ngelanga ngiye court eRustenburg.
The only time that I had contact with Buthelezi was when I called him in the presence of Mabena, and I only wanted the toiletries and clothes.
Yeah, I think you are ahead, Mr. Ntazi. You are still on page 10. Buthelez's call is on page 13.
Okay, this document has page 7 and goes to page 13.
Okay, we just read the calls that appear on page 10. What is your comment regarding those calls?
Manje lokho sikufundile lobe ngifundela kwana ke page 10 ke uthini ngawo lama calls abakhuluma ngawo.
Ngangena phone.
I did not have a phone.
Then the next calls are found on page 13 of 200. It's case ID 1031227, still exhibit DD5 in brackets E Roman figure 1.
Amanye ke sesiqhubekela phambili ke amanye ama-calls okhuluma ngawo manje ke ala ekhasini number 13 nayo exhibit DD.
On this page, the first call, it's between your number 6890 on 9 September 2020 at 17:03:09, and it's an incoming call, an MTC lasting 9 seconds from Label's number 072 619 The tower is 3G Queenswood.
Sesikhuluma ke ngalamanye ke ama-call ke eqala evelayo la kule khasi leli ke yange-9 zika September ngo-2020 isikhathi ke ku-17:03:09 esuka kulebu kwenombolo yakhe legcina ngo-6898 nayo futhi ke ngaphansi kombhoshongo ke waseQueenswood ethatha ke 9 seconds.
On this page, there are 5 calls between your number and Label's number.
Kule khasi leli sabona ke ukuthi ke kunama-calls amahlanu phakathi kwakho inombolo yakho nenombolo kaLebo.
We refer to a call from your mother's number, which is the 4th one from the top. Your number 6890 on the 9th of September 2020 at 18:06 and 38 seconds received an incoming call, an MTC lasting 53 seconds from your mother's number 07906965750. The tower is Queenswood, NGA.
Sisingathanda ukuthi sibheke ke manje ke laphayana ke mhla ka-9 September ngo-2020 lapho ke inombolo yakho ke igcina ngo-6890 yathola ke ucingo olungenayo ke lubuya ke inombolo kama wakho le 079069750 isikhathi ke ku-18:06:38 second yathatha ke imizuzu engaba u-53 imizuzwana nje engaba 53.
Then the next call that is the one that you've just commented on from regarding Buthelez's number, your number 6890 on 9 September 2020 at 9:35:03 made an outgoing call lasting 140 seconds to the number that you say is Buthelez's number, 0720386002. It's index number 21 on your contact list.
Sesiyake kulenye futhi nombolo ke le kaButhelo wathi nawe kaButhelezi inombolo yakho ke yakhe ayenza ucingo liphuma ke ifonela uButhelezi mhla ka 9 September ngo2020 isikhathi ku 19:35:03 futhi ikhola khona thatha ke imizuzwana ngaba 140 second inombolo yakho uButhelezi kuyona level ayi 0723866002.
Do you have any comment regarding these calls that appear on this page?
Kodwa mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho ngalama call la siwabonayo kulona le page.
Bese ngishilo phamba kuse kade ngangina phone.
I already mentioned before the court that I did not have a phone.
Ngoba mina zange ngixhumane noButhelezi mina since ukungangena ejele.
Since I was arrested, I never had contact with Buthelezi.
Ngicela ukuxhumana naye nge-date yesikhathi ezongilethela impahla ngefoni kaMabhena.
The last time that I had contact with him was on the 13th when he brought me clothes using Mabena's phone.
Are you now disputing that call that your number made to Mr. Jack Buthelezi on 9 September 2020 at 19:35:03?
So yakuphika lokho kusho ukuthi inombolo yakho yafonela ke inombolo kaJack Mabena nge-9 zika September 2020 isikhathi 9:35:03.
Ngithi mina akaze ngixhumane noButhelezi ngefoni. Ifoni yayiMabhena nomhana akaze ngixhumane noButhelezi ngefoni.
I said myself I did not contact Mr. Buthelezi. My phone was with Mabena and Mohale.
Ukuthi lapho ifoni yayikhona ayenziwana angazi ngangingekho duzane nefoni.
As to what was happening or was done with the phone, I was not there. I was not close to the phone.
So you're not disputing that call, or that you're saying that you're not the one who made the call? Is that
So awuphiki ukuthi ke ngempela ke uye wafonela uButhelezi kodwa usuwena wafonela uButhelezi.
Ngithi nazange ngifonela noButhelezi.
I'm saying I did not make
Uze
a call to
kwafikela ngala
Buthelezi
ngena lapha ecourt.
up until his date when he came and appeared before the court.
and the tower there is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Futhi ke umbhoshongo ke naye futhi uvela ngaphansi kombhoshongo Queenswood 3G.
And
Mina ngiyakuzwa lokho kusho ukuthi uthi phone like yayisethawa yaseverelia. Ngithi mina ngikhombise ukuphuma kwami nongena. Namanje angikhombisi lapha ecourt ngubona ukuya kwami ecourt eRustenburg ngibuya ngizongena ukuthi ngangiya kiphi ecourt ungikhombisi lapha ecourt.
I can hear what you are saying, but as I said before, I requested that you show me the document that shows when I was in Verulam and when I was removed from there. But till now, you have not shown me the document that shows that information.
Ngoba mina bengihamba ecourt ngishitsha ama postage manje lokho angikhonjiswa lapha ecourt mina.
Because I was appearing in court and there was change of police stations, but all that is not being produced
yes.
before the court.
Well, Mr. Ntanzi, the police station in which you were detained at have been traversed by way of cell registers and occurrence books from those police stations.
Mnumzane Ntanzi, ama-police station ke lawo ke wena oye waba kuwona ke khona amaphepha ke la inkantolo yaveza bayibiza cell register. I mean i-register ekhombisayo ukuthi umuntu makaboshiwe bayabhala phansi ukuthi uNtanzi ungenile babhala nesikhathi konke lokho.
Sikhuluma ngethawa ngathi uthi umshushisi mina ngangiseverelia ngithi noma ngahlala everelia ngihlale full time ngishitsha ama postage uma uthi phone le yayike ngifele ihambe nama ngithi lapha ngiyakhona.
So we're now talking about the towers, my lord. When you say I was in Verulam, I was not placed or detained in Verulam permanently. I will move to different police station. If indeed this phone was with me, it was supposed to show in every area I'm taken to.
Ngiyahamba ngiyakhotha eRustenburg phela ifone ayihambe nami.
If I'm taken to Rustenburg police station, the phone needs to be taken with me.
Uma ukuthi ngeqiniso ke ifoni ayike mayihambe nami yonke indawo Pretoria Moti Pretoria ngazibalwane be nalenenye police station lama police station ngwahlalela i4 lapha ePitori.
If indeed it is true that the phone was with me, the phone needs to be with me in Pretoria North and other police station. I was detained in about 4 police stations in this Pretoria.
Manje lapha yini lokuhlalihlele Verele ngoba ngangahlale Verele.
But now through this document, why is this phone only showing Verulam? Because I was not permanently in Verulam.
It's Vilarius.
Vilarius, sorry.
The next calls are found on page 14 of 200. It's case ID 103-1227, still exhibit DD5 in brackets E Roman figure 1.
Amanye amakhulu sokubhekana nawo manje ilawo phuma avela khona lawo page number 14 nayo kuthiwa yona exhibit DD lelo silokusebenza ngayo.
On this page, covering the period 9 to 10 September, your number ending 6890 received an incoming call from Lagos number at 24:55. On the 9th of September, also on the 9th of September 2020, received an incoming call from Lagos number at 23:05:23.
Uma ke sesibheka ke kule case selivulile ke case le number 14 ngenkathi ke phakathi ko 9 zika nge9 ne10 zika September kubonakala ukuthi inombolo yakho ke legcina ngo6890 iyathola ke call engenayo ubuya ku lab isikhathi beku 22:24:55 ngalo futhi lona lo suku lo futhi 9 September 2020 kwaba khona futhi olunye ucingo futhi olungenayo ubuya ku lab isikhathi leso beku 23:05:23.
Then another call from Lagos number 1698 to your number, still on the 10th of September 2020 at 10:28:03. This call went to voicemail. It's a call forward.
Futhi ke mhla ka 10 September ngo2020 kubonakala ukuthi ke ucingo luka lebu liye la shaya ucingo lwakho ke noma ke call le yangena ku voice mail.
Towers 3G Queenswood.
Umbhoshongo futhi nawo ke u3 umbhoshongo Queenswood 3G.
There were 2 outgoing calls from your number 6890 to Lagos number 16980 at 14:09:58 and 14:10:20 on the 10th of September. The tower is 3G Queenswood.
Khona futhi amanye amakhulu amabili asuka ke enombolweni yakho efonini leyo yoqala ke yenzakale ngo14:09:58 esibili ngo14:10:20 umbhoshongo wakhona futhi ku Queenswood 3G.
And at 14:10, still on the 10th of September, there's an incoming call, an MTC from Lagos number 16980 to your number 6890, lasting 108 seconds, 108. The tower is 3G Queenswood.
Futhi ke ngalo lo suku lolo ke i10 lezo isikhathi ku 14:10:20 lo futhi khona ke ucingo ke luyaphuma ku level iza kuwena elathatha ke imizuzwana ngaba 108 seconds phansi kombhoshongo futhi Queenswood.
So we see there's a two-way communication between your number and Lagos number. It's an incoming calls, 2 incoming calls on the 9th of September 2020 from Lagos number to your number. Then on the 10th there are 2 outgoing calls from your number to Lebo's number, then an incoming call from Lebo's number to your number ending 6890 on the 10th of September 2020.
Kuyabonakala ukuthi bekhona ukuxhumana bekwenzakala phakathi kwenobabili noLebo ngoba ke khona ukuxhumana kabili mhla ka9 September amakhola khona buya kuLebo iza kuwena then kube khona futhi enye futhi eyasuka kuwena ke ya kuLebo nangi10 zika September.
Cha ngivuma ngoba mayithi umsheshisi kwaxhumana mina noLebo ngoba inamba ifona meko mabhena.
I'm not agreeing to that when you say there was a contact between myself and Lebo because my phone was with Mabena.
I'm saying your numbers.
Uthi inombolo yakho.
Cha uthi ngizokentela umama Toleka ngathi uToleka inkulumo ephuma kuwe.
It's because I heard from what I was responding from what the interpreter interpreted, since they interpret what comes from you, the prosecutor.
Then on the 10th of September 2020 at 16:10:31, there is an incoming call, an MTC, from your mother's number 079 0696 750 to your number 6890. Let's say it's on 10 September 2020 at 16:10:39. It's an MTC, an incoming call, and the tower is Queenswood NGA.
Futhi ke mhla ka10 September ngo2020 isikhathi ke ku16:10:31 khona kucingo ke oluyaphuma ke nombolweni kama wakho liya kuwena olathatha ke isikhathi beku 16:10:31.
So on this number, the 8 calls between your number and Lebo's number, 5 incoming calls from Lebo's number to your number, 5 MTCs, 2 MOCs, 2 outgoing calls from your number to Lebo's number, 1 call forward, and 1 incoming call, an MTC from your mother's number 079 0696 750. Do you have any comment?
Uma wonke lawa bizile kwamanje bewa8 amakholo ngophela kwawo i5 akhona ila amakhola khona kuya enombolweni kaLebo ezenombolweni yakho i2 awakhona ilaphuma kuwena kuLebo kwaba ne voicemail kwaba nenye futhi ephuma enombolweni kamama wakho iya kunombolo yakho. Ufuna uthini ngakho konke lokho?
Mina ngangena phone.
I did not have the phone, my lord.
The next calls are found on page 15 of 200, case ID 1031227, still part of exhibit DD5 in bracket E Roman figure 1. Your number 6890 on 10 September 2020 at 7:49 and 25 seconds received an incoming call, an MTC, lasting 188 seconds from your mother's number 079 0696 the Tower is 3G Queenswood.
Ngomhla ka10 September ngo2020 isikhathi ku7:49:25 inombolo yakho ke yathola gocingo olungenayo oluphuma enombolweni kama wakho ke e079 0696 750 elathatha ke imizwana ngaba 188 seconds.
Then there were 2 calls from Lebo's number ending 1698 to your number 6890 on 10 September 2020 at 18:20:59 and MTC. Also at 16 seconds, it was an outgoing call from your number 6890 to Lebo's number 1698 Towers 3G Queenswood.
Futhi ke mhla ka10 September ngo2020 khona ke amakhola amabili ke phakathi kunombolo yakho nekaLebo yokuqala ke yenzakale ngesikhathi ke u-1820-59, eyesibili u-1916-16 ngaphansi kombhoshongo futhi weQueenswood ebuya kuLebo, ebuya kuwena eya kuLebo.
Then the number ending 332 called your number ending 6890 on 10 September 2020 at 18:29:25. The tower is 3G Queenswood, NGA. Then on 10 September 2020 at 19:17:21, your number ending 6890 made an outgoing call lasting 28 seconds to the number ending 3332.
Kube khona futhi amanye amakhola amabili futhi ayenzekile mhla ka 10 September ngo-2020 phakathi kwenombolo yakho legcina ngo-6890 nalenye futhi egcina ngo-3332 isikhathi ke ku-18:29:25 eyesibili ke ku-19:17:21 le yathatha ke imzuzu ngaba 28 second konombhoshongo ke waseQueenswood.
lapha kubhala 26 nje ubhala nge-28 kubhala 26
On this document is not written 28, it's written 26.
Yes, it's 28 seconds. It's an outgoing call from your number.
la kubhala 26 yeah uthi 28 26 straight now ubhale.
It's on this document it indicates 26, it's not saying 28 seconds.
Yes, but I'm referring to the call, the outgoing call on the between your number 6890 on 10 September 2020 at 19:17:21. It's an outgoing call to the number ending 3332 lasting 28 seconds.
Uthuma ngalena ke les inamba khona igcina ngo-3332 enza u-28 seconds.
nala uyabona mama nawe ubhala 26
But from what I can see here, it is written 26.
Yes, you're referring to that first call. We were on the last call. The call that you're referring to, it's your number 6890 on 10 September 2020 at 18:29:25 received an incoming call lasting 26 seconds from the number 3332 and the tower is 3G Queenswood.
Uthi ke umshushiso wena usakhuluma ngale yenzakala mhla ka 10 September ngo-2020 isikhathi ke ku-18:29:25 ebuya kulo nombolo egcina ngo-3332 eyathatha ke 26 seconds nayo ke ngaphansi kwembhoshongo weQueenswood.
iphikele ya 28 ngicela ungicheckele ngezansi.
So the one that you refer to as 28 second, where is it on this document?
The fifth call from the bottom of the page. Do you see that?
Where one?
yebo ngiyayibona ngoba ilandelana kamabhena ngiyayibona.
Yes, I can see because it's just after Mabena's number.
Do you have any comment, Mr. Ntanzi?
Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho ngaloko sesikhulume ngakho.
kungakusho phambi kwenkosikazi inkosikatolo ngayitshena from uqala nje kumala ukuthi ifone ngehlukana ngoJune 16.
There's nothing else to tell the court because I did tell the court from the first time that I took the stand that the last time that I was with my phone was on the 16th of June.
Right. On the your number 68 ending 6890 on 10 September 2020 at 19:50 made an outgoing call lasting 79 seconds to a number 08209607756. The tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Ngomhla ka-10 September ngo-2020 isikhathi ku-19:50 inombolo yakho ke yakhe yenza ucingo oluphumayo ke ifonela ke inombolo ke 082 096 1758 naye yathatha ke mzuzwana ngaba 79 second ngaphansi kombhoshongo futhi Queenswood 3G.
When we go to your index, index 103, you have the index there, 103. It is the one written page 9. Index 103, it's the fourth entry from the top. There's a name there, Msizi, and there's a number 082 09607756.
Uma sibheka ke kule ncwadi yakho yezincingo siya lapha kulo obhalwe ku number 103 khona ke igama elivela lapha libhalwe ukuthi Msisi, inombolo yakhona ke ivela njengo 082 0960756.
Who is this person, Msizi?
Ubani ke lo muntu Msisi?
Noma sengasamkhumbula nkosenkatani kodwa makuthi lo ngemcabangayo ngapha kwaNongoma lo muntu ngamgcina kudala kakhulu mangaphosisa ngama 2018 noma 2019.
I am not certain, my lord, but if it's indeed the person that I'm thinking of, it's somebody from Nongoma, and the last time I saw this particular person is around 2018, 2019, thereabout.
Ukumgcina kodwa phaka sasekhona kwaWengoma ukumgcina kwami.
And the last time I saw him was when we went for the Zulu traditional dance.
If we start a bit higher up at 1832-26, your number 6890 on 10 September 2020 at 1832-26 makes an outgoing call, an MOC lasting 1 second, to the number that appears on index 103 as Msizi, 082096056, the twice 3G Queenswood. You see that?
Uma futhi mhlambe sibuyele emuva ke sibheka ke kuyabonakala lamaphepha ukuthi ke ngesikhathi ke leso 1832 kuyakhomba ukuthi ke inombolo yakho ke iyashayela ke inombolo levela ngapha ke la ku number 103 eUmsisi. Inombolo yakhona ke khulunywa ngayo ke u078 08209607756.
Then your number 6890 on 10 September 2020 at 1844-22 receives an incoming text, an empty SMS lasting 0 seconds from the number of Msizi, 08209607756, lasting 0 seconds. The tower is 3G Queenswood NGA.
Futhi ke mhla ka 9 September ngo2020 isikhathi lesu 1844-23 kubonakala ukuthi inombolo yakho ke yathola ke umlayezo kokubuya kunombolo le evela njengomsizi eyena ke u08209607756 futhi nakhona kulombhoshongo waseQueenswood.
Then your number 16890 on 10 September 2020 at 18:45 and 18 seconds makes an outgoing call, an MOC, lasting 7 seconds to the number from Msizi 0820960756.
inombolo yakho futhi yabonakala ke yenza ucingo oluphumayo eliya kuyena futhi umsisi ke lathatha ke 7 second inombolo yakho umsisi ku 0829600756.
And again, we've referred to that call already. On the same day at 1950, your number makes an outgoing call to Msizi's number.
Futhi ngalo lona usuku lo 1950 kubonakala ke ifoni yakho futhi ifonela futhi ke yena ke umsisi.
What is your comment?
Uthini wena kuloko?
Angizabe ngixhumane ngoba ngisho phambi kodwa mina ngamgcina mangaprocess ngo-2018 or 2019.
I did not have contact with him. As I'd mentioned before the court that the last time I saw him was around 2018, 2019, thereabout.
So are you saying someone else made contact with his number?
Manje ukuthi ke khona umunye umuntu ke uye waxhumana ke nale nombolo.
Lokho kuqondile.
That is-
Ngakho senkade uyifona mina kumabhena.
That is clear since my phone was with my banner.
Since 1300 hours, my lord, can we take the long adjournment?
Okay.